Hi, my name is Mikhail Gunderson. The topic for my presentation is on multilingualism in Pakistan. This is an interesting subject because Pakistan has a wide variety of cultural and ethnic backgrounds. That being so, the diverse range of languages spoken in Pakistan are many. I'll be talking about the national language Urdu as well as English. I'll also discuss other regional languages and dialects, which regions they are most commonly spoken, how they were adopted, and the benefits of being able to speak more than one. In Pakistan, it is not rare to find someone who is proficient in more than one language. Multilingual people are usually referred to as polyglots. Your average Pakistani can typically speak between 2 to 4 languages. Urdu, Pakistan's national language, is very similar to one of India's official languages, Hindi. The two languages are intelligible. This means that Urdu and Hindi speakers have little to no issues conversing and understanding each other. On the other hand, some languages that exist in Pakistan have dialects within that language that are completely different in relation to each other, rendering them unintelligible. The only major differences between Hindi and Urdu is that Hindi is written in Devanagari script, while Urdu is written in Perso-Arabic script, leaving the spoken language around 85% similar. The religious populace of Pakistan is almost 100% Muslim. Thus, some Muslims in Pakistan might learn to read and write Arabic since they are familiar with the writing, and many of their religious scripture, for example, the Quran, is traditionally taught in Arabic. What spurred the development of many languages spoken in South Asia today are in part due to the Muslim conquests over the subcontinent of India. The lingua franca evolved during the time of India's invasion by Islam due to the centuries of Arab, Turkish, and Persian foreigners interacting with the locals. Long after Islam's expansion into India, we still see this influence on modern languages. Urdu has a lot of Persian influence and some borrowed words from Arabic. For example, good morning in Urdu, Subah al-Khair, is similar to good morning in Arabic, Sabah al-Khair. Muslim Urdu speakers also use the common Arabic greeting, Assalamu alaikum, for peace be unto you. While Urdu is the national language, it is not the most common first language spoken by Pakistanis. As we can see from this diagram, the majority of the population's native tongue is Punjabi, since Punjabis are the largest ethnic group. There are also multiple dialects in a language such as Punjabi, which may vary depending on the location. Following Punjabi are Pashto, Sindhi, Saraiki, Urdu, Baluchi, and other languages that are less popular and considered lower class, some of which sadly are being forgotten or already extinct. In contrast, many Pakistanis consider English to be the language of sophistication reserved for the upper class. English education was first introduced to the Indian subcontinent during the 1830s by Lord Thomas Babington Macaulay, adding yet another language to India's vast linguistic collection. English is recognized as another official language in Pakistan. Like Urdu, of course, it is also a language of education rather than anyone's native tongue. Wealthy families that desire for their children to get the best education generally make English learning a compulsory subject. In Pakistan, English proficiency opens many doors for opportunities in business, traveling abroad, and pursuing international education and careers, among many other things. I can see that the people of Pakistan recognize the importance of language learning, which is something I can relate to. If you love hearing a foreigner speak in his or her native language and listening to what one can only describe as nothing short of beautiful gibberish, then you're a lot like me. Also, if you're interested in further study on these subjects, the links to the material will be available on the reference page. This has been my presentation on languages of Pakistan. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, or as they say in Urdu, मैं आपको देखने के लिए शुक्रिया.